Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and easy guide, I'll show you how to add bank account to Apple Pay using the Update 2025 method. Whether you're setting up an Apple Cash or verifying a funding source, here's how to do it step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap on your Apple Cash card. If you haven't set it up, Apple Cash yet, follow the prompts to enable it. It only takes a minute. Now, once you're inside the Apple Cash card, tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then choose Bank Account under the Add Money or Transfer to Bank options. Next, tap on Add Bank Account. You will need to enter your routing number and account number from your checking or saving account. Double check that the three are accurate to avoid delays. After entering your bank details, Apple will try to verify your account. This might involve a couple of small deposits, which you will confirm in the Wallet app once they appear in your bank account, usually within 1 to 2 business days. Once verified, your bank account will be linked, and you can now transfer money from Apple Cash to your bank or refund Apple Cash directly from your bank. And that's it. Super simple and secure. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, drop your questions in the comment, and subscribe so you never miss the latest tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.